Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I finally found a trade that I'm gonna take. Yeah, this is a very good entry. I have missed two beautiful trades on this pair before starting my session. That was a winning trade. Oh my god. It was so close, man. Market just... Okay, so I missed this doji break with a huge gap up in the favor of buyers, which is also in this decision point area. And there's entry inside this. Also missed this doji break, which breaks the doji from the upside and closes on a seller's area. And I missed these two trades. And the trade I took is based on common point of rejection right here, in line with the QM. So today this pair is very nice for me. Yeah, this was a decision point entry right here, which I missed again. Okay, so I missed so many trades before starting this session, which is fine. It often happens for me a lot. Okay, now I will just... Okay, I see another QM. I see a trend line, QM in line with the trend line. An entry somewhere here would be nice if I can detect. Oh, we don't have a... Okay, we have entry up here, so I don't know if I'm taking this trade right here. Alright, whatever. Let's just move on. We have to just move on and try to find the best possible trades, because that's the only way to make profit in this market. I will go to lower time frame. Okay, I found my entry. This is a valid decision point for me. Right, this is the respected support decision point above, which caused the breakout. So I can't wait for this to come to this zone, and then I take my trade. Okay, and move forward. I kind of like to take this. Let's go. I'm taking this. This is a risky trade because of gap up and being in the supply area. Okay, I lost this trade. That's fine. Okay, I have a beautiful doji right here. See how previously it strongly worked 2 times, worked the doji. It worked for 2 times. And if I break it from the downside, I will take it. I have also common point of rejection. No. I will just wait for the doji to be broken. Wait. This trade's about to be a winning trade. Oh my god. That was a winning trade. Yeah, it's because I trusted the supply. Huge engulfing pattern, and I assumed there is a QM right inside of it. That's why I took this. I wasn't really expecting to win this trade, but oh my god, I missed the doji, man. No, I missed the doji trade, but it has a little bit of gap up, so it may come down again. Come on, man, I can't believe I'm doing this. All right, yeah, I was talking about this one. Let's go to lower time frame and see if we have actually a QM right inside. Yeah, this is the QM that I'm talking, and my entry was exactly here. See, supply area, then engulfing pattern in 1 minute, and QM in lower time frame. So the market direction is like this. We have also the gap up on the candle. That's why we win this trade. I missed. Okay, this is another doji, but I'm taking with 50. Because of obvious reason that we have gap down in the favor of buyers, so buyers can take over this candle, but it's still a doji break. So I'm taking it with 50, yeah. But this doji was nice. It has gap up as well, so technically it's the same risk as this one. But since we're unlucky, if we lose this, so if we lose this, it means that we're unlucky. Yeah. I will just keep looking for other opportunities. I'll make this 200 now. It's about to close. You know, trading without compounding is very comfortable for me. When I was compounding, I would just have the stress of losing everything, and you know, everything would be messed up if I lost a big trade. So going small, trading with money management is always the best. It always, helps you to have the best possible emotional control. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Third touch broken. And this was the takeable trade. But I want to tell you something about momentums. So if you see a momentum like this, that between candles there's some gaps, it means that that momentum is not strong. It looks strong, but it's not strong. And on the other hand, we have some momentums with no gaps between and large candles like this. These momentums are super strong. You never want to go against them. Okay, we have a huge gap down here in the favor of buyers, but I'm not taking it unless very small. Okay, I want to take it, but again, 50. What is this entry, man? Yeah. If you see a trade that there's not enough reasons, but you want to take it out of common sense or anything like that, which is a wrong thing to do in the first place, but make sure you reduce the amount. This is your only tool to control your risk. This is your only tool here to control your risk. Let's see. Look at this beautiful QM, man. Look at this beautiful QM. Okay, that was a winning trade. Nice. Alright. Look at this one. We have a third touch breakout, but I'm kind of scared to take this buy because we have momentum right here. If you take this buy, it means that you're doing something crazy or something risky. It's closing exactly on the round number, but still that's risky because it's against the momentum. Even though this is a setup, but it's against the momentum. Just keep looking. Do not feel uncomfortable looking for a trade. It may take some time for you to find a good trade. So sometimes it becomes boring. Let me see. Right. Again, look at this. There's no gap between the candles of momentum. So this is strong momentum. Again, we have third touch breakout, which I'm not taking this one. I'm not taking it. I know so many people would take this, but I'm not taking it. Even though we have a doji break or something right here. If the trend is strong, we're never going against it. Guys, I'm planning to do a Q&A video. It means that there will be a video only answering your questions. Any type of question can be asked, but prefer to be about trading. But I prefer to be about trading, but still, if you have any question, you can write it down in the comments and I will create a video and answer the questions. No, I'm unable to find a good trade right now. So I will keep looking. We have a doji break, but I feel like this is a swing doji because it created this double bottom. We are in the support area of this range, so market will probably move that way. So I don't feel comfortable taking this unless I reduce the amount. Yeah, obviously. If I get gap up, no, I didn't get gap up, but I'm taking it as a high risk trade, okay? It's kind of a swing doji double bottom, right? See a lot of bars creating higher highs on previous candles. So it signals me that it's a risky trade to take. It may work, but it's risky. Sometimes we take some bad trades and they work, and we think that we are doing the right thing. And if we keep doing it, we will lose more. This is one of those scenarios. This may work, but in most cases, even if it comes down, it will create this kind of candle. Even this kind of candle. I've seen it. Please know what trade is risky and what trade not. Okay. From the next trade, I will take 200. All right. Was another. Okay. We have this doji right here. Alright, now we're breaking the doji from the downside again. Okay, I like this one, I take it. This is the seller's last, last try or last power to be in the market. Get a quick retracement of this demand, which is causing these breakouts in lower time frames. Just a quick retrace, and now the market will go to the direction it wanted to go, right? It's also in line with doji break. Beautiful. Now today's session was very, very nice. I really enjoyed it, even though the numbers were pretty small. But I feel so comfortable when I'm trading small amounts, so comfortable compared to those compounding sessions. One, beautiful. How many trades did we take? Nice. 6 trades. I usually take 5 or 6 trades. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to join the official Telegram channel. I don't have a signal channel. I do not sell signals or copy trade. Thank you for understanding and thank you for watching. Peace out.